last time what we discussed was that ym equals x0 am plus n not equal to m an x n minus m plus, right? And where x0 the effective channel response at no lag, xk effective channel response at lag k, we want that x0 equals 1, xk equals 0, k not equal to 0. Fine. So now xk implies the existence of intersymbol interference or ISI. Now x0 equals gt convolved with ct convolved with pt, right, at time 0. Agreed? Equals gf cf pf infinity j2 pi f0 df gf cf pf. Agreed? Guys, this is
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now we know that the SNR is maximized when PF equals right. The filter is matched. We discussed this. We discussed the match filter, right?
Yes.
So this is the match filter that so this is the basically the frequency response of the channel and the transmit pulse shape. So this is what you will effectively receive this beast. And match filtering basically says that to maximize the SNR, this PF should be matched with the pulse that you receive.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So PF equals this, or x0 equals last time what we said was that we cannot control CT but can control GT and PT, right? This is what we discussed last time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have found out the answer for PT. What should be PT? And now we'll talk about GT. For that, we see that the CF is the frequency response of the channel and GF should be such that it passes through the channel without much problem. Agreed? Or without much problem is quite a non-technical term. Without getting distorted significantly. Right?
Yes, sir.
So now we had talked about, so letting CF be the frequency response of the channel. Let us talk about the signal that we transmit through it. Vt equals summation right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So now these are random. Agreed?
Yes,
These
sir.
are random. Therefore, Vt is the sample function of a random process. Fine. Right?
Yes, sir.
And let this process be Vt, capital V, equals summation n equals minus infinity to infinity an g t minus nt. So this is for one particular realization, and these are the random constellation symbols. That's why I use different symbols for these. Fine. Makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Great. So now so this G is a deterministic signal. The only thing random over here is an.
So GT
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So summation and expectation are both linear operations. Minus infinity to infinity, expectation of an g t minus nt equals oops, sorry. Right?
Yes, sir.
So mu a mean and this is a constant. This is a constant, right?
Yes, sir. That symbol we know what we are sending.
No, so it's the mean of the mean value of the constellation. We are talking about
Yes,
Vt as a random
sir.
process.
Okay.
This is a constant. So this, and we don't know. So we are not talking about symbol reception anymore. That will come to later. We are just characterizing this Vt. So this and this you can see periodic. So expectation of Vt is a periodic signal, right? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. So this is expectation of Vt is a periodic signal. It's 4. So I'll stop here and just go back and revisit cyclostationary signals from the previous semester. This is the Vt cyclostationary. How and what do you mean by cyclostationarity? I expected to cover today, but now we'll cover tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye then. Have a nice day, all of you.
Thank you, sir.